Right, welcome to NY500. It's a glorious, sunny, yet windy day, hence the turtleneck and hoodie combination. Now, you might have heard of us because we do some epic car meets. We have plenty of things on display in our showroom. We have some great food, but did you also know we do some pretty exciting projects? Let's go take a look. Right, now this is the start of many exciting projects here at NY500. There's plenty of cool things to come. Now, as you might have seen, behind me is this gorgeous Subaru Impreza WRX STI. Let's take a look at it. Right, now that you've seen part one of our puzzle, this beautiful rally legend, it's time to take a look at part two. Not quite a rally legend, but along similar tracks. Let's take a look. So this here is a Mk5 Escort shell. Not quite the Cosworth edition that sort of rivals the Subaru, but still quite interesting. And we've got big plans for it. Let's miss it. Right, now that you've seen both pieces of the puzzle, you're probably wondering what we're doing. I mean, you've seen a very clean Subaru, you've seen an exceptionally clean Escort shell, and this empty space. I mean, you've probably guessed what we're doing. We're taking the running gear from a Subaru and chucking it in this to form our very own rally legend. Right, now that you've seen what we're doing, we're curious. What would you do with this build? Would you put a cool wrap on it? Would you do a cool livery? Would you spray it matte pink? We want to know, let us know in the comments. And also, what's your favourite rally car? Drop your comment below, and if you want to see this build, drop a subscribe, like the video, and follow us on social media. We'll catch you on the next one.